Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a blip upgrade alarm with a tilt sensor. Customer had his catalytic converter stolen twice and he wanted to put a bit of extra security on it. So we've added our Prestige system. So how it basically works is when he leaves the vehicle, lock it in the normal way and then hit my lock logo, get one bleep, blue light will come on, tilt sensor will be active and armed. So if someone comes, jacks the vehicle up, the alarm will trigger. So I'll just show you that now. We've actually put a jack just under the vehicle to simulate someone trying to steal it. So here we go. So basically, there you go, we've jacked the vehicle up, the alarm triggered straight away. Had we not turned it off, the alarm would have run a 30-second cycle ready for another attack. This is just an additional deterrent. We've also put a blue LED light on the dash